Hey, what's up family? Today we back in the studio with another video, and this one we're gonna go over some hype news. We got a lot of shit going on, from Jordan and Ye collabing, Supreme Burberry, Cause North Face. There's a lot of shit going on. If y'all doing up enjoying this one or more content related like this, leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel for more shit like this. Today I don't want to waste no time. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. There's a lot of news that I do want to cover for y'all, from Supreme collabing with Burberry. If y'all been following Supreme for a while, you would know that they had a fake Burberry box logo mad long ago. I don't think it was official, but they did have multiple colorways which are on the screen right now. And if I'm being honest, I feel like there's gonna be box logos again for this collab. If you take it back to the Supreme LV collab, the Emilio Pucci, Tiffany, all three of them shits have BOGOs. So what y'all think gonna happen with this Burberry shit? The same thing, bro. It's gonna be more BOGOs coming out with the Burberry collab. You can almost guarantee that shit. But let me know what y'all think about Supreme collabing with Burberry in general. What other designer brand would y'all want to see Supreme collab with? I would honestly want them to collab with some shit more minimal, more toned down, but they already do that sometimes, so hey, they gotta go ahead and do their thing. But Supreme Burberry is I honestly hope this spring summer season is good and it's not a letdown. I feel like they could do good this season, so hopefully, hey, let's see what's in store. But aside of the Burberry collab, we do have the Olive Supreme Hanes collection. Y'all already know that lately Hanes has been selling out for Supreme, which is nuts. The little olive set isn't looking that bad. Honestly, if I could get the little set, I wouldn't mind it. The socks go hard, the briefs go hard, and I wouldn't mind some olive blank tees. Can't go wrong with this shit right here. It sounds retarded, but it is what it is. Second on my little list of shit to talk about is the fact that the Panda Dunks are restocking again. Yes, these shits have restocked like fucking 50 times. I don't even know how many times, but there's another one coming via Nike on February 2nd. I'm assuming that there's a pretty good amount of stock since they are actually announcing this restock. This is one of those colorways that you just gotta have. It's literally the simplest Nike with the simplest colors, so it goes with everything. Dunks are super hyped right now as well, so I feel like it's a colorway that everybody and their mama gonna go for, and I see why. Like, I understand why. This is a really wearable sneaker. Low-key, if I'm able to get it, I'm dipping these bitches in coffee. I'm about to start dipping all my kicks in coffee. Fuck it. It kind of destroys the resale value, but on a pair like this, I would do it and just end up wearing these shits. I feel like that shit would go hard though. Let me know in the comments, should I get these and dip these bitches in coffee? I feel like that would be a banger video. But yeah, Panda Dunks restocking February 2nd. Stay peeled for them bitches because they coming to you shortly. Hopefully we're able to get these shits, because honestly I wouldn't mind having a pair of black and white Dunks, beater type shit. So the next topic on this video is actually a little bit touchy, simply because it involves Virgil Abloh and the fact that the Louis V Air Force Ones, which there's 200 pairs of, are gonna be auctioned at Sotheby's. There's been people touching pairs like DJ Khaled and a couple selected other people, but there is gonna be an auction where the money's gonna be donated to the Postmodern Foundation, which is owned by Virgil. Rest in peace. It's kind of to be expected. The bids are gonna start at like $2,000, so a lot of us regular Samaritans probably ain't gonna be able to bid the $10,000 that these bitches gonna sell for, or even more. But I do understand what they're doing and why they're doing it. It's for charity, and it makes sense, bro. This is a colossal collaboration. Like, bro, think about it. LV and Nike to make an Air Force One with Virgil, who passed away. Shit is crazy. But yeah, I just felt like I had to talk about that real quick. Next on this list, we probably got the biggest topic, and it's probably the one that I'm gonna take the most time on, and it's the fact that there's a possible Yeezy and Jordan collaboration. What in the is going on, bro? Am I in a twilight? Who knows? At the end of the day, there's a possible collab simply because Jordan's son basically told his dad on Twitter that he wants to have a conversation with DJ Khaled, Ye, Jordan, and Jordan's son. You feel me? So that shit would be a crazy collab. I don't even know what the fuck is going on, but I do know since Kanye is an artist technically, and he owns Yeezy, which is his brand in collaboration with Adidas, he can possibly pull this off. He worked with Nike Nike before, not Jordan. So bro, I'm fucking mind blown. I don't even know where this shit could go. Like, is he gonna do a Jordan 4? Who knows? Is he gonna create his own Jordan that's actually good? After the 15, 16, maybe 18s, Jordans just went downhill. But if Yeezy does some shit that is new, fresh, and fire for JB, bro, this might switch the whole game up. Jordan really just relies on retros like the 1s, 3s, 4s, 5, 6, all that shit. They don't really have a new sneaker that's killing it. And if you really think about it, one of the best newer silhouette brands is Yeezy, bro. Like, there's New Balance kind of refreshing models and shit. There's Puma doing their thing, obviously. But realistically, like a new shoe, Kanye out here doing his thing. So if he could do some shit with JB8, yo, drop a 4, drop a 1, drop a 2, I don't even care. Endless possibilities, honestly. That shit would be sick to see, and Kanye himself posted it on his Instagram, so we just gotta see what happens, low-key. So we spoke about Kanye collabing with JB. Now there's a video of DJ Khaled giving Kanye a pair of his Father of Assad Jordan 3s, and I think it's only fitting to react to it in this video, so let's go ahead and hop into that. So right here we got the Father of Assad. This is a Jordan 3 box, but it's not a regular Jordan 3 box. Y'all saw the little tag on there, and it's Ye, bro. He's giving Ye a pair of Jordans. Like, come on, bro. We've seen Kanye low-key post the court purples back in the day, talking about that's the vibe he want to be on.
Father of the Side 3s, you see the quality. You see what's going on. Let's not act like we don't see. Only 100 made.
Right here we got Khaled giving him the Jordan 3s. So now if Ye wears Jordans and he could low-key do a collab with him, oh man, the game is fucked right now.
Fashion week.
Yeah, legendary. You know
what I'm saying?
This shit is legendary.
To drip over this shit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know, Justin, you can't forget about you. One size, you were my size.
Justin LaBoy low-key was in the right place at the right time, because he just got a pair himself too, respectfully. Apparently they were in the studio or whatever, they were making a song, and that ended up happening, which might lead to Kanye having a collab. There's a lot going on, but yeah, that's all I had to say about the Kanye Jordan situation going on. The last topic for today is the fact that TNF is doing a collab with Cause. I know y'all probably saw this shit on Instagram, but I had to bring it to YouTube, you feel me, my peoples. The Cause TNF is actually hard. Low-key in the black, it's so fire. Like, I definitely want to try to go for this shit. They released in Japan, if I'm not mistaken, in certain stores, but it's gonna be a worldwide release around the middle of February at certain TNF locations and online. Honestly, I'm really excited about this collab. There's puffy coats. Low-key, this is a fire collection, and I'm trying to get my hands on some of these colorways. Not all of them are for me personally. The jacket homie's wearing, the multicolor one, that one's fire. I definitely like the way that the X's are at the top. On one of the lookbook pictures, homie got a balaclava on. That shit look fire with the 2 little X's at the bottom. Sick in my opinion. I would go for that. And then the black parka, shit is nasty, bro. Shit is definitely nasty. Even the black beanie with the subtle square leather patch looking vibe, clean, bro. There's a lot of pieces in this collection that I would personally go for. I honestly would say just go ahead and check it out. There's probably different price ranges. We all know Cause is clean and TNF is too, so honestly this is one of the collections that I'm excited about. Unfortunately, there was a Bape and Stussy collab that came out on the 21st and I missed out on it. I really wish I was on that shit because they released some trucker hats. Bro, shits are sick. It said it has Stussy embroidered with the Bape print behind it. Shits is so fire. It brings me back to like Nego Bape era. Honestly wish I could have got that, but I slept on it, and hey, it's a L, but it is what it is. If y'all ended up enjoying this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Just let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments, and I will try to get that done for you, whether it's sneakers, lifestyle, whatever it is. Just let me know. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.